let's go ahead and jump into our math task. Listen very carefully and I'll read it to you. And then we will dissect it. We'll pull it apart so that everyone understands everything. So we have King, London, Ayana, and David. They earned 6 bills to share equally for selling lemonade to their neighbors. So let's stop for a moment, boys and girls. Who can tell me what bills are? It says they earn bills selling lemonade to neighbors, okay? What are bills?
A $1 bill,
Okay.
a $2 bill, and $5.
Okay, so she's giving me examples. So you're telling me basically money are bills, different forms? Okay, who wants to add to that? Anybody else want to say anything else about that? What are bills, Serenity?
They're like money that you can spend on things.
I love it. Money that you can use to spend on things. Absolutely. So it's money that you can use to spend on things. And some of your classmates have given us examples of those different types of bills. All right, so let's look at some more examples, boys and girls. So some of the ones that you guys just told me about are here. Leah said $1 bills, $2 bills. Serenity mentioned $100 bills, $50 bills. We also had $20 bills mentioned. So we know that these kids, they earned some bills. They earned 6 bills. All right? They earned 6 $10 bills to share equally for selling lemonade to their neighbors. How much money will each child get? And it says you can use tools if needed, and you're going to explain your reasoning. So let's go back up to this problem. So now we know a little bit more information. How many bills and what kind of bills do the kids have?
10.
They have 10. How many $10 bills?
6.
6. How many kids are there in this problem? King?
4.
4. So let's look at that. We've got 4 kids, and you guys have told me we have 6 $10 bills. So now the next part says they're going to share equally for selling lemonade. So if they're going to share this equally for selling lemonade, did all the kids sell lemonade?
Yes.
So is it fair for them all to get the same amount of money?
Yes.
So if they're going to get the same amount of money, this is going to be done equally. Decide what tools you would like to use to make your equal groups to solve this problem.
Patiently, good job, London.
Make sure you get everything you need, boys and girls, to be successful. And please reread the task as you need to. How did you figure out that you had 20 left?
Because I knew it was 4 people, so I gave everybody, and 4 people.
Okay.
1. And then I seen I had 2 more left, and I know it was 20, so I'm taking these and putting them back.
Okay, so you're going to split the 20 into 21s is what you're telling me? Okay. Is this 60 counters? Did you check? It's not 60 yet, so you're still counting your counters. So I'll give you more time to get your 60 counters out, okay? And then I will come back to you so you can explain to me how you're going to group them, okay? So I'll give you some more time to come up with your 60 counters. So how's it going over here, Mia? How are you to use the Unifix cubes? Can you tell me how you did double. So did you use 2 different strategies or?
I said I broke down the 10s and then put them in the...
Oh, so you kind of mixed tools. So you use these 2 10s as 20 to represent how many cubes that you would need in each group? Gotcha. Okay. So I want you to compare what you're saying because I see one thing here with the Unifix cubes, but I see something done different with your groups of money. So how about you count what's in each group of money and what's in each Unifix cubes group and see if they're equal, okay? And I'll come back to you and then I want you to come up with your equation. Can you tell me what you are doing with the counters and how many you have altogether? You're doing 10. So take 5 minutes and go ahead and have some discussion and some conversation about what you're working on right now, what equation you came up with, or what strategy you're using. Go ahead and begin, and I'll come around and have conversation with you as well. Sure, how about you talk to your group about the picture you have here, okay?
Add the dollar to the 10. Times 60 divided by 4 equals 15. So we take away 4.